Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about a very important topic. And if you face a situation like this video will help you out. Now, if you turn on your Mac or your MacBook suddenly goes into this zone where you see a black screen, and on the black screen, you see a flashing folder with a question mark. I'll show you how it will look like this. Now, this folder will flash or it will blink. So if you ever run into a problem like that, this video is going to help you out. Right now, I don't have this problem, but I have faced these issues a lot of times, and this is what helped me get out of that problem. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to turn off your MacBook. And after you turn it off, what you have to do is you have to press and hold the options button, options or alt button. And along with that, you have to press the power on button for 4 seconds. So what you need to do is you have to press the options button and the power on button for 4 seconds. And after 4 seconds, you will be able to log into your MacBook Drive. After you press these buttons, what you're going to see is you're going to see this window, and then you can sign in to your Macintosh HD, the hard drive of your MacBook, and your problem will be solved. If this does not works out, I'm pretty sure it will work out just as fine. But in case if this does not work out, what you need to do, I'm going to tell you an alternative way. You don't need to worry at all. There's an alternative way through which you can get in easily. And that way is called resetting your NVRAM and PRAM. Now it's very, very easy. What you need to do is you have to press the power button of your MacBook. First, you need to turn off your MacBook. And when your MacBook is turned off, what you need to do is you have to press the power button, and then you have to hold the 4 keys together at the same time, which is Command, Option, P, and R. You have to press these 4 keys along with the power on button at the same time, and you have to keep it pressed until you hear a second chime. Now, if you're a MacBook user, you know that when you just turn on your MacBook, you hear a chime, a sound. Now, if you are going to reset your NVRAM and PRAM, you're going to keep it pressed until and unless you hear the sound for a second time. That means that your NVRAM and PRAM has been reset, and then you can turn on your MacBook. Your MacBook is going to turn on by itself, and then you can just log in, and that's it. Another way is that if you are using a new MacBook, an updated MacBook, by updated MacBook, I mean the MacBook of 2020, not the Intel ones, but the new MacBook silicon chip ones. I'm talking about those MacBooks. Now, if you own those MacBooks, you don't have to press all these keys. You just have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, and automatically your NVRAM and PRAM will be reset. So this is also a way you can do it if this way does not work. But I'm sure out of the 3, one of them is going to work, especially the first one. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you so much.